Welcome to Learning Easier. Today we're going to learn about intensive pronouns. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Example, I, he, she, his, her, me, we, they, who, and etc. Noun. A noun is a word that describes a person, place, or thing. Intensive pronoun. Intensive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to place special emphasis on other words, such as another pronoun or another noun. Intensive pronouns end in self or selves. Example for intensive pronouns are himself, herself, itself, ourself, yourself, and etc. Intensive pronouns can be classified as singular intensive pronouns and plural intensive pronouns. Singular intensive pronouns are herself, himself, itself, myself, and yourself. Plural intensive pronouns are ourselves, themselves, and yourselves. Examples for intensive pronouns in sentences. She is planting it by herself. Herself is the intensive pronoun present in the sentence. The boy made dinner for himself. Himself is the intensive pronoun present in the sentence. I taught myself how to play soccer. Myself is the intensive pronoun present in the sentence. Themselves is the intensive pronoun present in the sentence. They completed the work by themselves. Ourselves is the intensive pronoun present in the sentence. We created the problem by ourselves. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Write a comment in the comment box below. Subscribing, click the bell button. Follow Learning User on Instagram.